I've been pretty motivated after I found out what's happening out in these areas. The deer are being culled at the moment, and because we haven't had an idea that these are an animal that we can utilise, the farmers are pretty pissed about their impact. So the DPI have been organising hunts, and they're shot and left on the ground. It's just a waste of life. I went to Scandinavia last year. They make incredible charcuteries there from reindeer and elk, and I couldn't believe the eating quality of them. What's a little bit strange is that abroad they see this as a good resource and like a valuable resource, but we don't have that same culture here.
Got a job, 3 kids and a wife. I got a baseball cap and a Swiss Army knife. And I guess I'd have to say I can't complain.
I've always been into food. Since I was 15 years old, I realised that, I wanted to be a chef, and I always get pretty excited about things that I can eat. But when you take the life of something, there's definitely that moment of giving thanks. Like I try to make sure that I do make sure that I give thanks to that animal. And it makes me want to use as much as I can of it. Like when we pulled that red deer down today, I was like, fuck, it's got some really big rumps on it. It's got big, long, juicy back straps. And I was like, there's meals here. Like, the shooting it is the beginning of the work. Like, this is where the work is, and this is also where the reward is. Their back straps are phenomenal. Boom shaka. That's a nice one. You've got a completely natural, organic, free-ranging animal that's available in the wild. You just have to go get it. I think we would need to grossly reconsider deer's place in our society. Pretty tasty. Not really tasty. It's not about shooting the gun. You pull the trigger, 2 or 3 times in a weekend if you do it well. It's about hiking and getting yourself into position, and you just become conscious. You become conscious of yourself and the position you're in, and am I exposed? And you just start thinking so differently than what you do in regular life. I think it's very exciting. It's like, what does today hold for us?